Hello everyone, it is the Frugal Soul Gardener, and today this is another video for people who have really small kitchens or are cooking for a crowd and every inch of their stove and their oven is full, but they still need to make more food. Well, if your solution is no farther away than your air fryer and your rice cooker, because today I'm going to show you how to use these appliances to make meatloaf and mashed potatoes. Yes, you can. We'll start with the meatloaf. Now, as you saw in the thumbnail, this is $2 meatloaf and mashed potatoes. That's price per serving. With your meatloaf, just use your favorite recipe. Now at Target, last I saw, their ground beef, you can get it a pound for $5.99. But for a few dollars less, you can use turkey, and that's certainly going to save you some money. You go ahead and just use your favorite recipe. Personally, I like to use breadcrumbs. Actually, I get those at Dollar Tree because they're a little bit cheaper even than what you're going to find at Target. Another good binder is oatmeal and eggs. Don't bother with fresh eggs. Target sells Bob's Red Mill egg replacer. You can absolutely use that in the place of eggs. The egg replacer, you're going to find it on the baking aisle because it's a powder and shelf stable. You just add water to it. You're going to go ahead, form your meatloaf, and you're going to go ahead and put it in the basket of the air fryer and go ahead and bake it. And the cool thing is, it's going to cook faster than it would in the oven. I would, even if I had an oven, I would still use my air fryer because my air fryer is more fuel efficient than a stove because of the fans and it's a smaller space. So right there, you got yourself a nice meatloaf. It costs you less to prepare, and that's more money in your pocket. Now, mashed potatoes. They work great in a rice cooker. All you got to do is, you're going to cut, peel if that's what you want to do. Put those in your rice cooker, add the water, turn it on. In a few minutes, you've got potatoes. And just, fix the potatoes any way you like them. One thing I like to do is I will sometimes add like a bouillon of, chicken bouillon. I get that at Dollar Tree, and that adds more flavor to your potatoes. And the beauty of it is, if you've got this and maybe you want to fix maybe some green beans in the microwave, you can have a whole meal prepared and you're not spending a lot on cooking it. Plus, since everything's happening faster, it's not going to heat up the house if it's like in the summer and you're trying to save on your air conditioning. So I hope these tips help you face these times of uncertainty. But let me add a little bit of soul gardening. I want to tell you, I don't care how uncertain things look out there. You've got what it takes. You have what it takes to ride out the storms of these uncertain times. And if we work together, we'll make it. We're going to make it. And I'm going to be with you every step of the way. So, until next time, happy saving.